All right, welcome back, guys. In today's video, we're going to go over this Gearwrench tool cart. I've been thinking for a while about getting one of these, and a few months ago, Amazon had, or somebody had a huge sale on Amazon for these. They were like $100 or $120, and they sold out like immediately. I was finally able to get one for really close to that price. I didn't want to have like a 5-drawer tool cart or anything like that. I wanted just the table that I could raise and lower the height on. So this is what I zeroed in on. I looked at a lot of other ones, but I liked the Gearwrench one. It seemed pretty simple to put together. A lot of people online said that these came damaged. Mine came in pretty good shape. I don't think there's any damage on it at all. I'm going to show you how I put this together, and then we'll just go over the final assembly and see what you guys think. So I like the cart. I think Gearwrench did a decent job on this. I don't know if they were the OEM behind this, but it works good. It's going to serve the purpose for me. The big purpose of this for me was so that I could keep tools on here, move them to where I need, especially in the other bay where the tractor sits usually. This way I don't need a full-on tool cart. And if you have one of these, let me know. What do you think of it? Did it hold up for you? Did these plastic handle brackets give you the heebie-jeebies? I'm not sure how well that's going to hold up. So I'll leave you guys with like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you on the next one.